Hi my friends, today we model this part. You see, the name is the pipe connector, and this is the drawing. We start by creating a sweep of this main feature with a diameter of 100, radius 75, and this distance of 205 plus 95, and this 200. New empty document. Take a look of this workbench and select CAD, not Blender, because we create mechanical parts. New sketch, XZ plane, line from a distance from here to this point, and another one vertical of 200. Good. The other dimension, as I said, is I can select only this point to start the measure. 205 plus 95. We apply fillet of 75. To obtain the path. We have a fully constrained sketch. Close. We change the name of this sketch by using either this option or applying the key from the keyboard F2. I prefer to use F2. The name is path. Be careful, I use capital letters. Now we have to create that circle of 100 diameter, placed with the center here and in a plane perpendicular on this line. To do this, we select this line, then we press the Control key on the keyboard, and we select also the end point. Then we use datum plane and normal to edge solution. Okay. We select the plane, we go to a sketch, we project, but here this is a projection of the center point and you don't need to apply project. Let's see. I select this point and the diameter of 100. Fully constrained, close. I hide the datum plane and we have the base for that sweep. But firstly we change the name of this sketch, F2, in profile. When you want to create a sweep, you have to use a profile and a path. This is why I placed that names. We select this circle and we use this tool, additive pipe. You see here profile is already placed, and now we place here path, the name from the second sketch, yes, or first sketch. Okay, this is the result, a sweep. We continue with this flange, diameter of 230, thickness of 20. We select this face, new sketch. This is the projection of the center point, and we draw a circle of 230. Close, pad or extrude the other direction of 20. Good. Then we create this feature of 80 millimeters diameter and 115 from this line. We create a new sketch in the XY plane. See inside, place a circle with diameter of 80 at a distance of 205 from the center point, 205, and on the same horizontal this point with this point. Close, pad or extrude 115. Direction is good. Okay. Another feature is this one, diameter of 80, distance of 70, and this length of 145. New sketch, this plane YZ. See inside, we create a circle with diameter of 80 at a distance from this face. I project that face. The distance is 70. The same vertical, this center with this center, or place it on the vertical axis, of course. Okay. Pad or extrusion on 145. Let's see the direction. It is okay. Okay, we have another feature. We continue with this flange. It has its dimensions 140, radius 20, and radius 50. The thickness is 15. We select this face for a new sketch and we draw some nice lines. by using a polyline. We start from here, going to the left, for 3 times. We go somewhere here, a line, and arc, a tangent line is the next, another arc, another tangent, and we close this contour. We apply tangent to this, and we place on the same horizontal this point with this point, then this point with the center, but I didn't project this, mea culpa. I apply project for this circle, and we have a center now. Then we apply again the same horizontal for these 2 points. Then coincident this point with the center point, this point with this point, equal these 2, also these 2, this arc and this arc equal. Now we have only 3 degrees of freedom to cover. That degrees of freedom are dimensions: radius 20, radius 50, and distance of 140 between these 2 centers. 140. Fully constrained, close, pad or extrude on 2015, but reversed, down, not up. Okay, next is this square flange, dimensions 200 200 and radius 20 at the corners. Thickness is 20. We select this face for a new sketch, then we project this circle to have a center. We use rounded rectangle, then we apply dimensions: 200, enter, 200, enter, 20, enter. We apply symmetry of this point with this axis. Then we draw a line between these 2 points. We make this a construction line, and we place coincident this line with this point. Now we have this center okay, fully constrained. Close, pad or extrude the other direction of 20. Okay, we continue with this sweep inside the part. 80 is the diameter, and the other dimensions are already known. Radius 75, this and this. New sketch, in this plane, project, see inside, then we project this line and this line. We start with a polyline from this point to the center point and up. Then we apply fillet between these two lines with a radius of 75. Okay, this is the new path, F2, and I write path with the minor small letters. Then we turn this for a new sketch. We draw a circle with diameter of 80. Okay, and this is the other F2 profile. Small letters, and we have entities for creating a new sweep. We select the profile, then we select not this additive pipe but subtractive pipe. Profile is already placed here, and now we write here path. Okay, you see this internal hole. Good. Then these two holes, 1, 2. This is 60 and this is also 60. Starting from this plane and this plane respectively. These are work planes. We can use them very easily. New sketch. In this plane we project this circle or cylinder, then we apply see inside, let me project again this circle. You see the circle, then we draw here a circle of 60, close. We have a circle inside here, you see, and we apply pocket, my friends. Pocket through all, not down but reversed up, you see. Okay, the other one is based on another sketch, this sketch. We project now this circle, see inside, draw a circle with diameter of 60, close, once again pocket, you see here what happens through all, not that direction but reversed. Okay, very nice. We place now these 4 holes of 20. You see the positions, then also 20 for these 2, and also 20 for the other 4. Good. We select this face, new sketch, line, but let me project this circle or arc, F7, then see inside, we have this center, and we draw a circle on this horizontal. No matter what is the diameter, but important is the distance, which is 190 divided by 2, dimension in the drawing. Close, hole, diameter of 20 through all, and we see that hole. Okay, we select this hole and we apply polar pattern, and instead of 2 we apply 4. Okay, this is that dimension of 190. Then we select this face to apply the hole, and you see here 2 small holes. We make them 20, and the dimension is 15 is enough, but let's use this 25. Okay, same procedure for the other face. Hole, we see 4 holes of also 20 and also 25. 25 is not to the part. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.